Hello all, welcome in this another blog of ERP SAP team. Today we are going to discuss about how to check the warehouse stock of any company, how to check the movement of warehouse stock, and how to check the exact stock position in our warehouse. So how can we check? We have standard SAP transaction code, okay, in material management module. So these things we will see in practical manner. Okay, first I'm going to use the transaction code MB51. Okay, MB51 will give you the idea about the material movement history. Here generally you can click on the flat list and choose the appropriate layout if you have already made in the SAP system. In the hierarchy list you can see the pictorial view of your material document list. Okay, in your company there are various plant. If you want to choose any specific plant, then the system will give you the detail of that specific plant. I have chosen the 1000 storage location of my warehouse. Movement type, I just want to choose the movement type 101, that is the good receipt against the vendor purchase order. And if you have not chosen any movement type, the system will give you all the movement type record here. Posting date, I have chosen specifically the 1st April 2021 to 25th December 2021 because I just want to check out the figure of this period. Okay, in SAP system you have very flexibility uh, to get the record in these column. Okay, if you have any customer details like vendor details, if you have any want to check the record of the specific batches, then you can fill here. Once I execute the record, the system will give me detail. Means for the card primary mux control, we have two details found here: respect to these purchase order and respect to these material document. OFC 144 fiber, we have one Migo document, one purchase order, and the paper photo state we have this. This tutorial I have shown you for the reference purpose, for the knowledge sharing purpose, for the understanding purpose. Don't take this data as a reference for any use. Okay, so just understand how can I get this record here, right? Because most of the time you want to fetch the record in your physical file or in e-office file. But if you know the exact transaction code and concept behind this transaction code, you can directly click the get the record in on the single click in the SAP window. Okay, so SAP MM is a very popular module throughout the world. In most of the companies, they trust on this software. Okay, like in the logistic, like in the medicine field, like in the aeronautical field, any mechanical engineering field, any telecommunication field. Have the list of the material. If we have the list of the material, we can upload the data here. Okay, you can fill your plan code here. If you have multiple plan code, you can click on here. If you have number of storage location, you can fill the number of storage location. I just want to get the record of the electrical material. Okay, and more precise the system will give the information because I have applied the filter on the material type. You can apply the filter on the material group, you can apply the filter on the purchase group. Okay, and you can choose the specific layout. If you have choose the specific layout, you can choose from here because in your company you can apply the layout. Okay, and you click on the no zero stock lines. If you want to get more precise record, then you can click on the no zero stock line also. And if you want to get the special stock indicator, means the stock reserve for any specific purpose or any project purpose, you can apply the filter of the special stock, right? And once you execute the system command of the MB52, system will give you all the record, like this material, the available quantity, and blocked, tried, stock in transit, every detail system will give you, right? And you can extract this detail, okay, in Excel, and system will give you the exact information. Now the next transaction code is MMB. MMB will give you record of the exact stock. If you have a single stock and you want to check the record of the company code, plants, warehouse location, and specific batch details, then system will give you a record. For example, we have a material code this, plant this, and a storage location this, and I just want to execute the record in the similar manner. Then system will give us each and every information with respect to batch wise, with respect to unrestricted stock available for the use, available for the block, on order stock, each and every information. See, this is the stock for unrestricted use. This is the on order stock. This is the material code patch PPR tier 1 and 2, and the material type telecom and spares. Base units of the measure is numbers, and system give you each and every record, right? So this is the way how you can check the record in SAP, okay? And you can utilize these things in system, okay? So if you think this is useful SAP tutorial for you, useful SAP inventory management tutorial for you, and you gain something from this tutorial, then please subscribe our YouTube channel, and please share this information with your colleagues and friends in your organization. And this is purely information related video, okay? And my main motto of this tutorial is to just enhance your knowledge, okay? Because if I've installed this software in our organization and we did not get proper education regarding this software to our employees, then it's not much beneficial. Each and every employee of this your organization working in this area should aware about this transaction code and this basic understanding, okay? How can we procure the stock? How can we receive the stock in our warehouse in SAP? How can we goods issue stock to our different units in our organization, across the plant, across the company? How can we track this movement in SAP? How can we track the sales of our stock in SAP? So this is very important, okay? So please, it's my humble request, please share this information to your colleagues and friends, because knowledge sharing is caring, okay? Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any query in your mind, please mention in the comment section. I will reply for the same. Thank you. Have a good day.